I'm going to show you how to fix 0x80072ee7 error in Windows. So go to Start and type cmd, right click on it and run as administrator. It will open command prompt. Now type this command chkdsk /f /r and hit enter. Wait for some time, then type Y and hit enter. On the next step, again go to Start, type services, open it. It will give you list of services. Now find out for Windows Update. Double click on it. Then set startup type as automatic. Then click on Apply and Start Service. Now click on OK and close all windows. Make sure you have to restart your system. Your problem will be solved. You're good to go.